Hello guys! This is a simple tutorial to Python basics. First type print, which will print whatever is written inside the brackets. I am writing hello world in it. And now let's run your first ever program. You see, hello world printed over there, and now, I am going to do a bunch of shit, which you must be knowing by now, so I am just speeding up. Enjoy the time lapse. And finally you just have to put that, over there, and, ta-da, your program is ready. Let us check the result. Okay. Yes. Our game is ready. I hope you enjoyed the very simple one-shot Python tutorial and learned something from it. Bye, and see you soon.